big storm's coming soon. Passed out in my hammock, got us slept away past noon. Stood up and tried to focus, I know I wouldn't have to move far. Sure could use a bloody mess, so I stumbled next to the bar. And now I must confess, I could use some rest. I can't run at this pace very long. Well, it worked out. This is for hide and seek. I think it hurts my brain, but cleans me out, and then I can go on. Something about a Sunday, it's the most peculiar grade. Strolling down the avenue that's known as AVI. Feeling tired, then I got inspired. I knew it wouldn't last long. All alone, I walked back home, sat on my beach, and there I made up this song. And now I must confess, I could use some rest. I can't run at this pace very long. 44 years, yes, it's quite insane. I think it hurt my brain, I know it did, but it cleans me out, and then I can go on. Well, the wind is blowing harder now, 50 knots or thereabouts. There's white caps on the ocean, and I'm watching for water spout. It's time to close the shutters, it's time to go inside. In a week I'll be in Gay Paris, hell, that's a mighty long airplane ride. And now I must confess, I could use some rest. I can't run at this pace very long. Yes, it's quite insane, I know it hurts my brain, but it cleans me out, and then I can go on. Yes, it cleans me